up, people? It's me, Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Before I start today's video, I want to ask you something. I want you to give me a suggestion. That is the intro line which I have just said, right? The two lines. Should I just start my video with that? Or should I give a description about my video and then say the intro line? So I was just confused whenever I start a video or whenever I'm trying to shoot a video. This is a huge problem. Should I say it now? Should I say it later? Should I say it now? So I used to have these kind of doubts. So if you tell me in the comment and suggest me something, it will be easy for me next time. Since I started making videos on YouTube, the only thing which I have with me till now consistently is the energy which I have, the confidence which I have. So now I want to tell you some of the tips which I use to be this energetic, and it's been almost 7 to 8 months since I've started my channel. I still can't believe that I'm posting videos continuously even though I'm not getting views. So the only thing which I believe in is that even though my content is not so good, even though the facts which I'm telling, the points which I share with you, if that is not good and if that is not helping you, I need energy for myself, because I think that how much ever mistakes you do, people don't recognize that much if you have energy and if you talk with confidence. That is one of the main point which I use to be, or to be so confident and energetic. And also I make videos upstairs, so whenever I go downstairs and I come up, I cannot talk this energetic. That is the truth. That means you have to take a lot of breath in and out and then start it. And also when I make videos, I make for 1 minute and then 2 minutes and then 1 minute and then I merge everything. So if just imagine if I'm continuously talking for 7 to 8 minutes. Even though my content is not good, I want to make my video good. So for that, the only thing which I can do is talk energetically and talk confidently. Another main point which I have is the body language. And also few people tell me that I shake hands too much and all these things. So I will try to reduce that as well. But another important thing is my body language is kind of good. So when I'm talking, I use my hands and all that. So that is one of the reason. And now I just realized that my right eyeliner wing is so large than the left one. And another factor which makes me energetic is that I used to sit steadily. Before a few videos, I used to stand and make videos. So I used to be so energetic as well. And also since one day I was shooting videos for more than 1 hour and I fainted also. So I think I added as a blooper. You can check that out and it will be there in any of the other videos. So you need strength for that, and you need to stand bravely, briskly, so that people can understand that okay, that girl or that boy are a professional speakers. When your energy is good, the rest of the things will automatically be in its own place. So when you're not so energetic and I'm just sitting like this and I'm talking to you like this, then people won't be so interested. It might be funny now, but you might just regret for watching my videos. I don't want that to happen. So for that, I need to be energetic. And the next factor is you need to have passion. So if you ask me, I have a lot of passion for making videos. Before that, I did not realize it. So if you want your energy to come out, you need to be so damn interested in it, and you need to be so strong, and you need to have that grip with you that okay, fine, I know this, I'm going to do this, so I have to be brave, I have to be energetic. So that will automatically come to you if you try. And another the most important one which I want to tell you here is the volume and the voice. So To be honest, this voice is actually contributing half of the percentage out of 100 in my energy. So how much ever steady I am, how much ever confident I am on the outside, if I talk, the voice should be good, the voice should sound different. So people will confuse that if your physical body is confident, that is enough. But no, your voice should also be so confident. Body language doesn't even matter if your voice is high. So if your voice and the volume is great, your body will automatically become brisk, and you will even transfer your energy to other people as well. So this is the reason why I like public speaking, like standing in front of many people, because if I talk with full energy, that energy is transmitted to the people also. So whenever I talk on stage, I give my 100%. One day I was continuously having a meeting, and I was literally talking like more than 1.5 hours. I was literally continuously talking. At that time only I realized that wow, I can do this, man. So basically, even though I don't eat any food or vegetables, I will be talking the same way. I don't know how it happens. I have realized all this since I have practiced. So in the beginning, I never knew that I could talk like this, energetic and all these stuff. But I think, it all comes with the practice, and I also believe in that. You should believe in that too. So now I want you to tell me whether you want videos consistently, or whether you want videos weekly, or whether you want a weekly twice or thrice video. If you have any idea, or if you want me to post videos according to that, please do tell me in the comment. I will be so glad to see your comment there. Since you watched my video till the end, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, you can go and subscribe that red color button. It's free. It's free. I'm not going to take money for that. It's free. And like this video also. That is also free. Okay, bye.